we will now proceed to the measures of central tendency of group data. So for intervals, we also solve for the mean, the median, and the mode. So for example, okay, given this frequency distribution, find the mean, the median, and the mode. So we have here our classes, or the class interval, and then we have the frequency. But in the exam, you're going to start making first the frequency distribution table. Then come na. Okay, so we have and 69. So we have okay, we have the classes, and then the frequency we have 3795 5, and then we have 1. Okay, what is our n? Can we add? N equals, what is the n? 25. Okay, so n is simply the total. Diba? You add the data and you get the total. Now, what is the mean? The mean would be equal to, okay, this is the formula for the mean, the summation of, you have here now the frequency, okay, the summation of the frequency times the midpoint of the class divided by your n. So before we find the mean, we first need to solve for the midpoint. And how do you get the midpoint? Midpoint, kung ano nila, no? Oh, so we have, what is x sub n? That would be 52 plus 54 divided by 2 equals 52. So our first midpoint is 52. What is our class width? What is the width? Class width? 5. 5, di ba? Minus ka naman minus. Or the. Okay, so 5. So pwede na plus 5 na ta. Instead of, pwede lang ihapon, you can start with 55 plus 59 divided by 2. Or the 60 plus 64 divided by 2. Ana, inalay. Isa na lang. Marami nag-quick. 57 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 72. Okay? So you can see man na it's tunga sa 70 and 74. Next we get the frequency multiplied by our x sub n. We get the frequency multiplied by the midpoint. So what is 3 times 52? Ang mga calculate manggawas na. 156 by 6. 57 times 7. 49, 39. Kindly check. Kasi napatalas ako. And then we have 738, 533, and then 70. So correct? Yes. And then you add. This will be the sum of f x sub n. Bilang. Okay, so that is 1,700. Now, following the formula, our mean would be equal to 1,700 divided by 25. So the mean is equal to, what is the mean? 68. Okay, so the mean is 68. Now look at your data. If ang imong answer, the mean is within this, kita ka nga naa sa tunga, then at least sure na kagamay na your answer is correct. Because let's say for example, ninggawas ang mean mo 168, then you will notice immediately na ang data na to, the lowest data is 50 and the highest is 74. So the mean should be within those two values, within the lowest and the highest limit. Okay? So this is now our mean. Now the problem here is, once marong na ang imong tabulated here ng mga numbers, then automatic marong ang imong mean. So you have to be careful with the computation of our mean. Now we go to the mag-solve sa ta. Kamu sa solve it. So you solve this. I'm going to copy first.
Kada bang process of frequency given na ito?
Depende. That is why I said sometimes I will give you that, but there is also another way where I will be giving you raw data, just like what you did, the raw data, and then you make the frequency distribution table, and after which we solve for the mean, the median, and the mean. That will be complete, no? But I am thinking that for an examination, that would be quite difficult. Kaya the problem with that is, once na wrong ang paghimo sa distribution, automatic na wrong. No? So I might have two different numbers for that. One number will be for you to construct the frequency distribution table, and another number to compute the mean, the median, and the most, given the frequency distribution table. Okay, para at least, kung may error sa usa, dili ma-carry over sa lain na error. Or pwede rin hapon, I might just give you a bring homework where you are going to provide your own data, individual. Wala may kopyahay. Individual. I'm going to give some of the data and you fill up about 5 data to complete the raw data. From there, you make the frequency distribution table, and next to that, you find the mean, the median. But that will be a bring home activity. Sa exam, I cannot risk that. Kaya murag, luoy ang ma-mistake. No? Luoy ang masayo. Okay, so are we done with that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you a number to work on. So we have the same na lang. Ayan. Para maanad na nga different. Okay, so this is your seat work. You answer this on your notebook only. Exercise. Exercise early in the morning. Okay, so you're going to complete this. Kindly check, babe. Tingnan mo naman ang plus 3 na ba ni? Plus 3. Plus 3 na? Okay, kindly give me a number here. If you notice, so we have our frequency distribution. Ang majority sa data po cluster around the center. Now this is normal na distribution. I'll provide the data na lang muna. Para ito mag-end. Kindly add. Ay, sa pagbutang na, kindly add. Do not copy yet. I might change the number. You just add. That's all. Yeah. 53. Ito po nagduha para may mong bay. our n is now
15.
okay. So complete the table, find the mean. Mean. So you need first your, what are we going to write here? Our x sub m, the midpoint. And then you multiply the frequency times the midpoint, get the sum, and then divide that by. Okay?